Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing with the Gold. We're going to close out our segment on some soil blocking and some of the seeds we started earlier in the season. We had some mixed results here. You can see some of these seeds were a little old. We looked back, these are year-old plus packets of the Dragon's Egg cucumbers and the Armenian cucumbers. So we didn't get the germination rate we were hoping for. You can see that the soil blocking did all right. They got watered a little heavily. That's something that we're learning about with soil blocking. You need to water very, very gently. So all in all, we're going to check back in and do more soil blocking later in the season, try and get some tighter, denser compression, see if we can get better results out of that. But you can see right here, we got about an even result from the soil blocks and from the pots, owing mostly to the old seeds. So we did okay. Check back in with us next time to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening.